flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
Yes, indeed, guys, let's shake it. Trading is as only as hard as you make it. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, a bingo and a bango. I'm in the charts all day. My goal is to make you money. I provide the information required to know exactly when to enter. I don't give this blanket statement, buy the breakout, buy the retest. Join me every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why when it comes to trading. This is why the coin's dumping. Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens. All right, mic check. Mic check looks good. All right, guys. So if you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. Here we go. In 3, 2, and get ready for the bingo bangos. 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. And man, the days are going by super, super quick. Waking up early, staying up late, making money for the group. The VIP group is absolutely on fire. Absolutely loving everybody in there. Man, this is what we've been waiting for, guys. This is what we have been waiting for. If you're not making money, don't worry, you will. It just takes a little bit more time, just a little bit more time, but you will get there. If you're not in a group that is, well, let's put it this way. If you're in a group that posts a whole bunch of charts every single day, 10, 15, 20 charts a day, let's just say they posted 10. In 7 days, that's 70 charts. They're setting you up for failure. They are only looking out for themselves, because now they can say, oh, look, guys, we posted this one and we posted this one, and look at this winner, and look at this winner, and look at this winner, join our group. It makes it look like they have all these winners and they're 10 out of 10. No, they're 10 out of 70. I did not realize that when I first started. So be very careful with all these setups. You don't want that. You are going to get destroyed. For me, I spend hours upon hours deciphering, because there's so many, not only so many coins, but there are so many options that are ready. And it's like, which one do I think is going to be better? There's a lot of decision making that goes into when I put in my 3 to maybe 5 charts a day. Right now it's still around 3. Now there are times where I only do 1. You know, the market's good, but I only do 1. That way it gives you a much better, in my opinion, much better options. Would you rather choose between 3 or 20? For me personally, 3. That's what I would like to do. And then not only that, when I post my charts, it's nothing like you've ever seen before. I'm just telling you right now. One of the key things that I put on there is what category they're in. Are they distributing computing? I love that category. Are they a layer 1? Are they a meme coin? Or is it AI? Like, what is it? And let's just say AI is pumping. Well, if I give you 3 charts, 1 is AI, 1 is oracles, 1 is DPEN, you know, or gaming, whatever, and AI is pumping, well, there's a really good chance you might pick that one that's pumping. I make it as easy as possible for you in the group. If you're not a member, strongly recommend joining. We're having some fun, guys. We're having some fun. Oh man, I love it. Oh man, I've been waiting for this. Oh man, it feels so good. All right, moving on. Speaking about feeling good. Oh, I forget. I'm on this side now. I forget. Look at all this green. The green for the hour looks good. I mean, they're not double digits, but pretty soon, guys, pretty soon, These are going to be, when we first tune in and we're looking at the hourly, it's going to have 8, 12, 22, like all of these. If you don't know how to trade, you're going to make money. If you know how to trade, or at least if you have guidance, you're going to make a crap load of money. Now, all these mentors out there, they want to trick you into believing you need them to make money. No, you can make money. Buy a coin, hold it for 6-8 months, sell it. Guess what? You just made a lot of money. By having a mentor that truly cares about you and not just having another member, I show you how to trade. I show you all this stuff, and I show you here too. But in the group, it's a little bit more. Oh, so last night, so in the group, I mean, it's better. It's just better. Last night I recorded a video. Now the video is available on Patreon. Let's see here. And this is for, in case you're not in the group, that, you know, you can go on Patreon. Like, say you don't want a group, you're tired of groups. You can go to Patreon and you can actually see this. So let me go ahead and bring this over. There we go. Let's see here. For the Patreon, I posted this last night. It's how to find coins before they're listed on exchanges. This is, I believe, a 25-minute video. I don't remember. But anyway, the video, it's very detailed. If you know what I do, you know what I do. And of course, this one is available for sale. So if you want to pick that up, this is going to make you money. Not only that, but once you watch this and you want to know all the websites I go to a lot of different websites. Send me a Telegram message, and then of course I'll send you all the links. This right here, by far, is how you're going to capitalize on all the new money coming in. Now, if you're already a member of the VIP group, they don't pay for any of this stuff. I don't nickel and dime anybody. Everything that I sell extra that's not in the group, the people who are in the group, they don't pay for it. Like they get it first and then I put it out. But this right here will blow your socks off. A lot of really great information. So definitely check that out. And then that's all I got to say about that. All right, moving on. But yeah, and then that's what we're doing. And right now, we actually created a special group for that particular topic and strategy. And it's going to do well. All right, moving on. Let's see. Let's look at liquidations. What is the liquidation heat map saying? Let's go to the liquidation heat map. Liquidation heat map. Oh, and I'm gonna be in the way too. Joe, get your head out of the way. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. So right now it's pretty cool. And when I say cool, I'm mean like, hey man, that's cool, that's radical, that's awesome, that's gnarly. Who knows those words? But it's not hot. This right here is hot. This is very high demand for possibly price going up. Now the cooler colors, which we can see over here, these are the cooler colors. These are areas of liquidity, but not as much. The brighter it is, the hotter it is, the more liquidity. So that's where a bunch of stop losses are at. That's where a bunch of, either targets or reversals. But the main thing we always concentrate on is where people are going to get stopped. Yeah. But it's also short. These are basically orders. So you can either have a stop loss right here. You can have a target right here. You can have this as your liquidation area right here. So that's why we always call it, this is where people are going to get liquidated. It's truly just orders. And here we have it at 101.467. Guys, 101. It's not 97 anymore. It's not, 98 anymore. It's the 101, guys. 101. Oh man. We made history, guys. We made history. And pretty soon, we're not going to be saying Bitcoin, it might go down to 90. Nope. Bitcoin might go down to 114 now. I mean, we'll see. Hopefully, it doesn't have a 40% retracement going all the way to 114 pretty soon, guys. And that's the thing I love about this. The more time you're in it, the higher it goes. Now, I was actually on a a call last night with one of the members, and they were basically saying, and this actually, and a lot of people I guess are feeling this right now. I actually was on another call a few days prior to hers. I want to say maybe a week at the most. But anyway, with her, she said that should she sell? You know, she's down on some of the coins she's held for 2 years now. Should she sell? And I said, no, don't. Not financial advice, but definitely if that was me, I would not sell right now. Right now, we're right here. Pretty soon, in a few months, we're right here. In a few more months, we're right here. Why would you sell right here? Don't sell right here. It's going up. Now, if you're in a coin that's made significant gains, then what you could do is sell half of it. Nothing wrong with selling half. You don't have to sell all of it. Sell half of it. That half you put into the coins that aren't doing so well, that you bought 2 years ago or so. And what that is, that's dollar cost averaging. So now instead of being down 80% because you put some money in it, now you're down, let's say 40%. And then let's say prices go up and you're going up. You made a lot of money on these other coins. You take off 25%. You're shaving off money off the top. And then this one that you're down 20%, you add to this one, and now you're only down 8%. And then as it goes up, well, now the entry point, which was way up here, and instead of having to come all the way up here for you to start breaking even and start making money, because you're DCAing, what you're actually doing is you're reducing the amount of your entry point. You add it to your trade way down here. Your entry point comes down here. You add it again, comes way down here. You add again, comes right here. Now as it's coming up, now you're in profit way sooner than waiting way up here. This is the voice of reasoning that most traders need, but don't get. This is what I do. I tell you all of my mistakes. I show you everything, all my wins and my losses. I'm not here to boast and brag and look at me and this is what I have and show me your Rolex. Get out of here, man. This is my Rolex, guys. Show me your Rolex. Only show Rolexes. Only I don't want any Walmart $8 calculator watches. Why not? Why not? Are you too good for that? How about, so I have this really big pet peeve with this person. How about show me what makes you happy? There's a tweet. Don't, because this fool, he's done, show me your restroom. He has a big, beautiful restroom. My gosh. Am I hating on him because he has a big and he's made it successful? No. He's a douche. It's the way he presents himself. Show me your restroom. Dude, I don't even know if I can extend my arms out in my restroom. How is that supposed to make me feel? Show me your closet. Beautiful closet. Ceiling fan in his closet. Dude's made it. Show me your closet. How about we go to the restroom and I show you? But anyway, same thing with the Rolex. Show me your Rolex. How about show me what makes you happy? If you're a father, you're spending time with the kids, playing with them, tickling them. That's what I would like to see. What makes you happy? Maybe a vacation at the beach, not in a 5-star hotel with all this, waiters and, spending $10,000 on a dinner, not showing off. Show me your dinner. No. What makes you happy? Just kicking back on the porch, smoking a cigar, drinking a glass of whatever, wine, bourbon, whatever you do. What makes you happy? What makes you laugh? What do you like to do? That's the stuff that I would like to see. This fool had a post, him pouring sparkling water down his commode after he used the commode and saying, you don't do this, you don't pour sparkling, and he opened up the bottle of sparkling water and put it down the commode. You don't do this? How about show me what makes you happy? Your wife, your kids, you know, being off on a weekend, you know, having a picnic outside with your kids, having like a movie night, having the projector against the trees. I think that's important. Not this, show me your Rolex, show me your closet, show me your restroom. You need to be careful. That stuff can ruin you. It really can. All right. That's all I got. That's all I got. Let's see here. Let's go to the chat. We got Tano in the house. What's up, Tano? What's up, Tano? Crypto Candy. What's up, my friends? Dylan. What's going on, man? What is going on? Duality Crypto. I love this, guys. I love the fact that you're showing up every single day. Because you do that, I guarantee it. Don't trust me, though. Verify. I guarantee it. You're going to be very successful. Very successful. Just watch. Just watch. Let's see here. We got 100 Air in the house. What's up, 100 Air? So tonight we have Crypto on the Rocks. This is where we kick back. You know, if I was doing something professional, there is no way I would promote Crypto on the Rocks, because we have some fun over there. We have some fun. You know, we kick back. We drink a couple of brewskis. Where's my stuff? Did it go away? We drink a couple of brewskis and we just kick back. We have some fun. Oh, here it is. So let me put this in the chat. We do that at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we just talk. We just talk. We, you know, sometimes we have guests on and just kick back, relax in time. Saves you a lot of money from going out. I'll tell you that right now. Let's see here. Let's get that cheddar ready to move from ramen to steak. Let's go. Let's go. See here, 2x leverage, never lose. Can you take a look at PIVX? Yeah, definitely, man. We will do that. So yeah, so definitely, guys, put your coins in the chat. We will get to those. If we extend the time, then of course you can do a super chat to extend the time. If you want your chart priority above all the rest, then you just put super chat. We get that in for you. But if not, no, you know, hopefully we'll get it for you. Let's see here. Baba in the house saying, how you doing today, Joe? Man, I'm pumped. I am so pumped. We're gonna make so much money. Once again, my goal on this channel, on this hour that I give you, is to give you free mentorship. Instead of paying $99 an hour, I can show you how to trade. Guess what? Here's my sales pitch. I make you money because I show you I know what I'm doing. Then you make money. Then you join my group. I think that's a pretty good sales pitch. Instead of, you know, oh, sure, I'll show you how to trade, but pay me first, and then I'll show you. No, man, get out of here. So, I mean, I have a lot of different things. There should be no excuse why you shouldn't be making money. Here, we have the VIP. You will be surprised. If you're curious on what the VIP offers, send me a message on Telegram, and I will tell you what this involves. And you will be blown away. You're going to be like, man, I'm in this other group and I pay this much and I get this when I can pay this and get so much more. Now, let's say you don't have this. If you want to do the lifetime, you're going to be with me at least 2 cycles. I'm telling you. It's not because you're going to depend on me for the charts and the setups. It's all the additional information I'm providing all the time. So that's very important. You know, don't think, oh, the lifetime, I'm gonna learn already, so I'm not gonna need the lifetime. No, you're gonna learn, you're gonna know what I know within a short period of time if you're in the VIP. The lifetime is to ensure that you continuously get all these updates and everything that I'm learning. I'm always learning. I'm striving to be better every single day. And this time around, we just opened up a new group where it's going to be all these new listings prior to them getting on exchanges that the new traders are going to be at. Where is the new money going? I answered that question in that video I showed just a bit earlier, available on Patreon. Where's the new money going? And if we can get into those coins prior to the new money, seeing that those coins are available, guess what? We're going to make faster money. and I show you all this. Now, of course, if you're in the VIP, you get that already for free. It's included. There's no nickel and timing. All right. If you can't afford this, no problem. Here's another way you can support the channel. We have the supporter. We give you special videos, Bitcoin updates, market updates sometimes. Sometimes I'll do like, I'll leak one of these videos and put them in here. Now, of course, the higher tier you go, the more you get. It just makes sense. But there's a lot of really great information. But if you can afford it, stop messing around. Do this. Just let you know. All right, moving on. Let's go on with the charts. So up here, this is where we have liquidation at 101. Then way down here at 95. I love that. Way down here at 95. Oh, I love that. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the charts. Oh, we have some alerts. Oh, and now you can see my alerts too, which is good. So here's a little tip. These alerts will make you money. Giving you a heads up. If you see an alert, write it down and look at it. Look at the chart, and or maybe ask for the chart, and it might be ready. So what I do for the VIP group is I have alerts. They go off. Not ready yet. I'll set another alert. Goes off. Almost. I'll set another alert. Goes off. All right, maybe in another 8 hours, 4 hours. And then what I do is I set my alarm on my phone for 8 hours. So when my alarm goes off, I know, oh, I got to check my charts. And I'll go down and see, I said, now it's ready. So then now I go and I post it in the group versus all the other groups. Buy the breakout, buy the retest, buy in this zone. And like I took enter now. Add when the 15-minute time frame crosses this level. The candle must close above. I have never seen any of that done because that makes me accountable for those trades. That's what it does. None of these mentors, none of these traders want to be accountable for the actual moment. Well, there are some. I'll put it that way. There are some. The majority. Buy in this zone right here. What? No, how about buy right here? Add when it crosses this. Move up your stop loss. How about that? All right, moving on. Let's see here. Going down the list, Dylan says, following the training course in the VIP at the moment, and every chart I sent to Joe is being checked within a couple of minutes. Ooh, look at that. We have a testimonial, guys. We have a testimonial. So here's a question. How long does it take me to reply to DMs, VIP chat, etc.? Within minutes, day or night. There's times where people are chatting at 3, 4 in the morning, and they're asking me a question. Can you check this chart? Yeah, sure, man. How do you go? My job is to make you money. That is my job. Now, if I don't reply to you very fast, that means I'm either making a video for YouTube, making a video for the group, a thought process update video, making, doing research or what have you. So I'm always doing something. And then of course I might take a little nap, but just to let you know, Dylan says, following the trading, excuse me, following the trading course in the VIP at the moment, and every chart I sent to Joe is being checked within a couple minutes, day or night. He is always available. Also very active group chat plus chart sharing. The VIP group's where it's at, guys. Just letting you. Let's see here. Love the group. Would recommend it to everybody. So I'm actually going to save this for a testimonial, because I think that is that's a perfect testimonial right there. So let me go into my testimonials. Okay. Add it to the list. Very good. Okay. Since I'm here, let me go ahead and put this. This is one of my testimonials that I received since I'm in that thing. So here, you know, they made some money. Let's see here. It says, "Happy holidays. Finally got square and jumped back in right on time with some positions a couple of weeks ago. that I could have just let ride for the next 10 months and it would change my life, or it will change my life. Can't thank you enough, but I am not really stopping there. Yeah, so I mean, they're making money. They're making money. And like, I show you the patience it's required to make money. I'm the voice in your ear. I really am. All right. Of course, if you got charts, guys, let me know. Right now, I'm stalling. I'm stalling for more charts. We have one so far that I saw. Let me come back over here. Let's see here. Joe says, what's up? What's up, my friend? Let's see here. We foster children. That makes us happy. You guys good. Let's see here. Let's see. Ricardo says, ETH, 4K. Yeah. So I'm looking at ETH. I started looking at other coins too. I'm looking at ETH. I actually got out of ETH last night, or when was it? I think it was last night. Yeah, when Bitcoin started dumping, I was in profit. I said, let me take my profits. But if you want, we can check out ETH too. Just let me know. See, golden candles galore. Let's go. Soon 5K. Hey, we got Retro Mike in the house. The unofficial sponsor of the show. Appreciate you, Retro Mike. So let's do some Retro Mike. Since you are a new member, let's do some Retro Mike emojis. Retro Mike emojis. That would be absolute fire. Retro Mike emojis. Thank you, man. Appreciate you greatly. You really do help support the channel. Can't thank you enough, man. Cannot thank you enough. All right, get some of those emojis in the chat, guys. Let's see here. Let's go ETH. Yeah, ETH is going to kill it. ETH is going to do really good, even though there's, all these Solana killers. I mean, all these ETH killers, for example, Solana, Sui. But with that being said, it can still do 3x in my opinion. ETH. Let's see here. Oh, thank you. Alexander G became a member. Thank you so much, Alexander G. Feeling the love today. Feeling the love. You guys are great, man. You guys are great. Let's see here. We got Dave. Dave says, Silent Dave in the house. The Lurker. LOL. Hi, Joe. Appreciate you, Dave, for being here, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, so once again, guys, if you got coins, let us know. We're going to go ahead and get started looking at Bitcoin and just kind of seeing what we can see. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Right now, on the higher time frame, it's very obvious that it looks like it's going to bounce. Now, the question is it going to get rejected off of the previous all-time high that we had some time ago? Right at 99.8. That's the question. We're going to go into lower time frame and check it out. Who got liquidated on this? That's what I want to know. Who was long and got liquidated? That's what I want to know. Let's see here. Can we look at virtual? Yeah, sure, man. So I think that is the actual ticker. So looking at virtual, let's see here. I don't know how to say this. I'm a horrible reader, horrible at reading names or just reading period, but I know how to read charts. So I'm going to call this Teist, I guess. Mr. Teist says, hi, Joe. Can you look at, yeah, definitely, man. PHALA. Very good. Baba says, what do you think about TAO? I'm actually looking at that one. I really like it. It's got a reset though. Bittensor. TAO is Bittensor, right? TAO, I believe it is. Yeah, I love Bittensor. It's really good. So yeah, it's number 32 and decentralized AI learning. Yeah. And see here, Joe says CELR. All right. Very good. Okay, I have had ETH. Oh man, Tano. Woo-wee. My friend, my buddy, my pal. Since $300. Nice. Yeah, I remember those days. Man, that's nice. When was that, Tano? Was that in 2020, 2021? Because that's right around the time where... So, of course, I was working overnight, night graveyard shift as a nurse. One of the other nurses came in and she was like super, super happy. I said, why are you so happy? She goes, my Tesla stock just went up 4%. She goes, Joe, that's huge. I said, 4%? She goes, yeah, we're really happy in the stocks, if it goes up 1, 2%, but it went up 4% today. And she was just ecstatic. 2021, I think, yeah. And this was right around the pandemic area. And I told her, I said, man, I don't even know if I can say that word. YouTube's really funny. And so I told her, I said, man, you should get into crypto. Like, we laugh at 4%. We do 15% easy. Like, we blink our eyes and 15% goes. And so I told her about, of course, different coins. And I said, ETH is a very safe play. She said, okay. So she had some money. She bought it. The next week, we show up. And she's like, Joe, are you kidding me? I am up so much money. Thank you so much. I said, yeah, never. I said, how much did you put in? She told me. I was like, wow. And it had gone up like, I don't know how much. It went up a lot. Now, this girl, she was very, very wealthy. Why she was working, I have no idea. Let alone being a nurse. Man, all the stress and everything, it was crazy. She had gotten an inheritance. And so she ended up buying more ETH. And I called her up like 6 months later. I said, how you liking that ETH? She goes, man, Joe, I can't thank you enough. Yeah. Those are the days, guys. Those are the days. And that's what's going to happen here, too. You hold these long enough, and that's going to happen. Now, do you want to round trip them? Different mentors will give you different opinions, but just to let you know, it's not a loss until you sell. You can always buy in more. Now, the theory is, yes, if the price is way up here and it's going to come down, you can sell it. So when it comes way down, you can buy more. That's kind of like putting in work. If you don't want to put in work, you just buy it, does what it does, comes down, you just add to it, whatever. Then that's the lazy way. So if you put in work, selling it, buying it more, then of course you're going to have more potentially, depending on how far down it goes. So let's say, for example, it just depends. It just depends. So it's all on you. Let's see here. My heart, my queen. Yes, definitely. Alexandra G. Yes, thank you so much, guys. You guys are the best. Joe says 1 billion of longs got squeezed at 104. Wow. Why would you put a long at 1? Oh, why would you put new money? And that's the main thing is for this new group that I just created. And it's included. Anything extra I do for the VIP, it's always included, always. I would never try to nickel and dime you, unlike other groups. That's one of the big things we're going to be doing. We're going to be seeing where the new money's going. That right there just screams new money. Oh, let's go long. It's at all-time high. Let's go long. Wrong place to do it. Let's see here. So we're going to do FETs. Yes. See, 2021, I think. Yeah. Maybe 2020. Yep. Hey, we got Crypto Billy in the house. What's up, Crypto Billy? For the emojis, do a search for goats. And this is Crypto Billy. Crypto Billy is the goat. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says TAO is my #1 AI. If you look at their Explorer, you can see all their compute elements, subnets. They have 59 different subnets. Yeah, so I strongly recommend everybody following Retro Mike Tech. Dude is really smart. He knows what he's talking about. Not only is he the unofficial sponsor of the show, due to all of the memberships and I believe super chats, I'm not for sure. I just know like he's really, really helping out the channel. But I strongly recommend going to his channel. Dude is really smart. He knows what he's talking about. So if he gives a thumb up for TAO, might want to look at it. Joe said, sounds like Dot's ecosystem. Possible. Now, of course, Dot was given to us by Crypto Billy a few weeks prior to, it moving. So Crypto Billy has his ears to the crypto streets. So just to let you know. See, Retro Mike Tech says banned. What do you mean banned? See here. Very good. Okay. I'm just making sure your channel is still up because I know they love removing channels without explanation. They love doing that. All right. So definitely, guys, yes, smash the like. We're going to go ahead and start the show. We do have PIVX, virtual, PHALA. I don't know how to say some of these words. TAO, CELR, FET, and DOTS. See here. Okay, was a good run. XYO. Yeah, that one we've been looking at. You know, thanks to, I believe, username would request that one. All right. So we are all caught up on the chat. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, of course, these will be doing, the ones that we're going to be doing is going to be with rapid fire. So what we have is we have a timer, and the timer is hidden at the moment. Here's our timer. So on the timer, this is our time limit for each one. That way we ensure that, hopefully, we can get all of the stuff done. Hey, we got, what do we got? Oh, holy moly. Crypto Billy with the super chat. Holy moly. Only one super chat boss around here. Let's get that straight. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. That truly does help. Thank you so much. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Thank you to everybody. Thank you for just being here. Man, I am so grateful. You could be anywhere right now. Anywhere. And you're here. I am so grateful for you guys. Appreciate you. So just thank you. So right now we are looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? Man, we see money. We see money. This right here was horrible. Now, what I'm very active in the group. When I started seeing this coming down and coming down fast, I notified everybody in the group, because we've seen this before, to where this is the start of the downtrend. We never know what's going to happen until after it happens. This could have easily been the start of this. And right now we're in profits on our VIP callouts, and our stop losses are in profits. Now, there are some that we haven't moved up our stop losses yet in profit. Now, when this started happening, I'm always in the charts. Literally, I'm in the charts, and I'm seeing all these coins going down, and I'm on the 15-minute time frame. I said, okay, well, let me go to the next chart. Coming down, next chart, coming down, next chart, coming down, next chart. I was like, holy crap, let me look at Bitcoin. I look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin started coming down. What I do, I put a voice message in the group, because it's faster than typing. Put a voice message in the group. I say, hey guys, right now, Bitcoin is coming down. Get ready for updates on your charts. We may have to take 50%. I'll let you know. And I pin the message. So now it goes to everybody. And I go and I see what Bitcoin's doing. I see other charts, just so that it's not, oh, there's only 3 charts going down. All the rest look good. No, I'm checking all of them. It's like, man, now granted, these are charts, you know, that we're still in from several days. You know, we're entering charts 1 to 3 charts a day. And then the next day, 1 to 3 charts the next day. We don't do 10, 20 like all the other groups. We're systematically entering these coins. Then I'm going through all our open trades because, well, they're doing well. We're moving up our stop losses. We're in profit. And it's like, oh, crap, they're all coming down. So I let the group know, all right, guys, you might want to start taking profits on just sell 50%, because just in case it bounces, we never know until after the fact. And I would hate to hold them. And right now we're up so much, and then we come down and we get stopped out at plus 20%, plus 30%, whatever it is, when we could be getting up here. At least some. Take profit. And then as I'm doing it, as I'm updating, I think I updated like 1 or 2 charts. So maybe like 5 minutes went by, and then it starts cooling off. I was like, whoa. So I did another voice message. Whoa, guys, I think it's going to bounce. Hold on. Like if you haven't sold anymore, wait. So I'm very, very active in the group. Very active. Now, of course, other mentors will say, you know, long wick reversal. We don't know it's a long wick reversal until we have, at least my definition is 3 to 5 candles. And it just depends on the time frame. Are you looking at 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily? The higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation of the bounce or reversal or pivot or swing, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same thing. When it's going up, it's making me money. When it's going down, it's making me money because I'm doing shorts. So this is what we have to look for. Now here, of course, everybody loves saying stuff after the fact, but as it's happening, we're monitoring it. And what is it going to do? Is it going to start going up? Sure enough, Look at this zone that we have here, guys. Like it stopped, the candle body stopped in the zone, and then here this candle's in the zone, started breaking up. This was another area of interest. Now it's coming up. Now we're attempting to break our 99.8. This was our previous all-time high. It's looking really strong right now, guys. Really strong. And if you're not making if you're not making money right now, don't worry. You will. Don't FOMO, guys. Please don't FOMO. Where's my, there it is. Let's see here. So one of the trades I'm in, yeah, they're doing all right. All right. So here we go. Let's look at a lower time frame right now. Bitcoin looks good. You know, now, and all this is support resistance. That's all this is. So let's go ahead and get this. Can I move this? This is our area. I'm not going to include the wicks. You can if you like. But the wicks just tell me where there's more. Here it's stronger. Here it's weaker. So if it breaks through this, I know that I still have resistance at this level. But if it comes down, hopefully it'll bounce off of this box that I created. Same thing when it goes up, more than likely get rejected here, unless it goes, you know, further up. So it might do this number, come in here, get rejected, do a lower, a higher low, then come up again. Now what it's actually doing, it's actually forming an ascending triangle where we have pretty much a flat top and then the lows are higher, which would lead to moon mission. Moon mission. If you got the moons in the chat, put those in there. Of course, if you are a VIP, I'm not a VIP. If you are a YouTube member, you do have the ability to put those super amazing emojis, I think. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So now this is the rapid fire session, guys. Now is the rapid fire session. Now is where it's booming, guys. Should I do it for giggles? I mean, it's already too late. I'm thinking about doing a long. It's already too late though. I missed the move. But a degen long. It's too far away. Because like from here it can come down to here, and then continue up. I need to do more degen plays. They're fun and just a little bit of money, you know. $10 maybe, 20, 40, 50. I wanted to do it. I want to do it. And of course it would be a long, but I'd have an entry here, an entry here, an entry here, and there he goes. That's what I would do. But just for giggles. Okay. Okay, you convinced me. Where is it? Is it here? It's my Blowfin account. Oh man. So I mean it moved way too much already. You know what? I'll put an entry way down here. How's that? I'll put an entry way down here. This is gonna be one of my entries. So we're not getting too crazy with it. And then this is just a degen play. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let's make it a little bit larger. So this is my first entry, and we'll just do, what's the leverage? Oh, okay. We'll do, let's do 50. Let's do 50x leverage. Okay, so for the price, nope. This thing that it doesn't copy and paste, I noticed that. Copy. Paste. Paste. It doesn't copy and paste. 99541. 0.4. 50x leverage. We'll risk $20. Buy it. Okay. So here's where I would do one. So 50x leverage. Where is my? So right now we're gonna do kind of a DGen play. I really hate not knowing where all this stuff is. I'm looking for the price range tool. Right. Here it is. I have them starred. What? Oh, my floating toolbar is down here. Dang it. Let's see, 100%. Okay, that's fine. So let me go ahead and do another one right here. So this is 100069.8. And for this one, I will do 20 bucks. We'll do 25. $25. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And then now, let's FOMO. So let's do $30 at the current price. Let's see if we can get it. We might get it. We might not. We'll see. But if we do, I'm kind of protecting myself if it does come down. And is it going to just keep on going? I'm not going to chase it. I mean, I would expect it to come down at least to here and then go up. Am I in? Am I in? Hey, I'm in. All right. So 50x leverage, you know, and we'll see how it goes. Now, what I want to do, let's see. I got $13 left. Go big or go home, right? So I want to I'll put another one right here. I'll put another one right here. So what's my liquidation? Liquidation is 95. Oh man, that's so far away. That's so far away. So I'm gonna put my next one right here. 103.63. Ooh, and I'm gonna get it already. Okay. And we're going for the whole kit and caboodle. $10. Buy it. Confirm. So right now, I'm only in $30. Here's my margin. Now I'm in, oh, now am I in 30? Okay, so this one hit. So good. Now I would be really happy if this one hit due to this pull up. I'd be really happy if this one hit. This one might not hit, but it might come down to here. Oh, I forget this segment. It might now, because it's so far up, it might come down to, I want to say here. So let's do this. So my liquidation is 95, so that's fine. I think it's good. So we'll check up on this and we'll see if this one hits. I hope it does. We'll see. I don't think this last one will hit. But if it comes down and hits this one and then comes up and then bounces, then I might put a lower bid just in case, just to protect myself. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Joe, can we get started with the show? Oh, yeah, sorry. All right, so let's go ahead and go. Yeah, Bitcoin is ripping right now. Bitcoin is ripping. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. So let's see here. I can put this over here and then do this and then I don't want to do that. Okay, I know. Okay, we're gonna go to our small screen and then we're gonna do this. This is just for fun. We're just having some fun right now. Just for fun. So this right here. So we'll just do our P&L and our liquidation. That way we can all see it, but do the charts at the same time. We'll have it right here. Yeah, that's fair. Okay. All right. Good. Hey, we're in the positive. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Good stuff. All right. So the first one, and this is all rapid fire, guys. This is the rapid fire session that you have been waiting for. Now, granted, I have talked way too long So everybody who has a chart on here will get done that I have on my list. The last one is XYO. Of course, there's no need to do any super chats for these because, well, I just talked way too much today. And as a special gift to you, let's go ahead and get started with the rapid fire. Let's go PIVX or VX USDT. And this is on a Mexi. Where is the timer? The timer is here. There we go. Timer's on. Okay, so for this coin, it's looking really good. Let's go to the higher time frame. It is, I'm pretty sure, a very small market cap coin due to these wicks. It's up only. I would be very careful with this because with up only, we'd love to see retracements of at least 38%. That would bring it back down to here. I would look for a buy area within this section, and then we're going to go ahead and zoom in on this in just a moment. Let's go ahead and get rid of our area. Let's also do a 4-hour time frame. And what I want to do is I want to do a fib extension so we can get some targets above the actual area. So we go from the swing low to the swing high to the swing low prior to the run up. And now let's go ahead and mark out some areas with some Alt J's. Let's take off our magnet tool. Let's do Alt J, Alt J. We're going to leave these the same color. That way we just continue on with the show. Uh-oh, we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin doing the question mark. I don't know what the question mark was for. Why? Holy moly. Let's make this money, guys. Let's make this money. Let's go ahead and put some bingo bangles in the chat, guys. Put some bingo bangles in the chat. We got 130 to go. 130 to go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. So right here, I would expect it to come down. It's in a really nice move up. This is what I would like for it to do. Come down here, do this number. And then as far as entries go, in my opinion, it's really rough entering right now. We do have this resistance zone that it's got to battle. And because of this battle, I would either set an alert. Well, definitely set an alert right here. So this is our set alert. And I'm not going to actually do the alert, but you would actually do this for the alert and then you would do the alert. Okay, fine, I'll do it. And what we're looking for, if this does happen, we're looking for the candle to close above this level. So the level we're looking for it to close, make sure magnet 2 is on, is this level right here. We'll make sure this one is in white, that way you can identify it. 0.3659. If and only if the 4-hour candle closes above this level, you can enter. You can enter. If the price action comes down here, you want to wait for it to do something like this. Once that happens, you enter the trade. That is the setup for here. I would definitely have an alert here, and then I would also set an alert down here so you can get notified if it does come down. That way you're not watching these charts all the time. The alerts are, this is an orange, and then of course I'll start off this first one in white. That way you know where it changes. Those are your alerts. And bingo bango, in time. We got that one perfect down to the second. Perfect down to the second. Let's see here. Let's go down the list, going down. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says, Bill always doing it wrong. You're supposed to shield Ape or Moondeg in the super chat, sir. Yeah, so Ape and Moondeg, we have been looking at those. Those Ape, I know for sure Crypto Billy's been talking about. Moondeg, I'm not too sure, but that one also has been, it's being listed on several exchanges too. So just give you all a heads up. Yeah, gotta go back to work. Yeah, definitely appreciate you for being here. Greatly appreciate you. See here, thank you for all the membership area. Yes. Yeah, special thank you to you, just everybody. Thank you, Retro Mike Tech. You are a beast. Thank you, man. See here. Yes, definitely, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. 100K again. Jono says, Joe going all new, getting into DGen plays. Yes. Doing some DGen, doing some, doing some DGen. Right now we're up, guys. We're up 18%. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Up $5. Hey, I'll take it. I will take it. I only have $14 in my account. So if I can go up, man, right now I'm almost half of my account. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin is ripping. Let's go, guys. let's do this. We entered a 50x leverage trade on Bitcoin. And did I draw any flags? No. Did I draw any inverse head and shoulders or cup and handles? No. I just look at the price action. It had moved up so much already, it was bound to come down. And now, could it have gone up some more? Sure. But what goes up is going to come down. So, of course, we did our slight entry. We added more to it. I really was hoping that we get our lower entry. Did not happen, but it's okay. We got the bingos and the bangles going on. Disclosure Crypto, what's going on, man? Well, right now, on the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you can see our 50x leverage trade on Bitcoin, and it's moving. All right, so the next one is virtual. Again, this is going to be a rapid fire session. Rapid fire. And we do have our timer on. We cannot exceed our timer. Let's go. Timer is now on. So virtual looks amazing. I absolutely love this, how it's looking. Let's go ahead and do our fib extension tool. We're going to go from the low, and we'll go from another low. So I'm going to adjust this. We're going to go from the start of the move, which is here, to the high, to the low. Of course, we go to the 4-hour time frame, and now let's go ahead and do our level. So of course, on this one, let's go here and do Alt J just for time's sake. These are going to be your target levels that we can aim for on this coin. Now, can I be ridiculous and go to $25 and $40? Yes, definitely. It just depends on how long you're willing to wait. $3 is going to hit much faster than $7. So that question gets asked a bunch. You know, how long do I hold the trade for? It depends on how high do you want your target to go. You know, can you take profits along the way? Yeah, definitely. Can you? So I actually have a video. I believe it is in the. For the YouTube members. So guys, y'all are YouTube members. Thanks to Retro Mike Tech. You're YouTube members. If you go to the video section and you look here, we have members only. And then if you want to upgrade, you can do the Warrior members. This is the Warriors in Training. Top-down analysis on several of the coins that I have on the VIP list that we're doing. And then this one, see here, never ending trading style. I believe this is open to all members. Right now, thanks to Retro Mike Tech, definitely watch this one, guys. Definitely watch this one. I show you the never-ending trading style. And it's under 4 minutes. Watch it. You're a member now. Take advantage of these memberships that Retro Mike Tech is so graciously giving out. So, and then of course, you know, we have a lot of other videos, my favorite Solana coins, alerts, etc., etc. All right, enough of that. Right now, oh man, I wasted a bunch of time. What I enter right now, man, that should be a disqualification. From here to here. So I would set an alert. It looks great. It looks great. I would set an alert right here, and it's the orange, the alert. I would set the alert. The 4-hour candle must close above the level, which is this one right here. It must close. We'll change this to white, and that's where it must close. All right, and let's make sure it snaps in place. But I would definitely wait. That's the setup right there. Set your alert at that level. And I like the, I'm going to set my alert here for this one too. So this one is done. We made it in time, even though I was a little jabberjaw. But this one is great. I love this setup. Candle must close above this. I'll put it in blue. That way it's easier to detect because I know there's a lot of whites up there. And right now this is an ascending, potentially an ascending triangle. You know, if you were to get the bottom of this, kind of make it look what you want to make it. It looks good though. I like it. So that one is a win for me. Man. Yeah. Oh no, what I need to do is I need to put this on our watch list. See, watch list. Where's my watch list? Rapid fire. Okay. So the next one is PHOAELA. Yeah. USDT. I think I'm spelling it right. Man, that would suck if I spelled it wrong. Yeah, I think it is. We got Mark Dutch in the house. What's up, Mark? Okay, so let's see here. So I guess we'll do this one. Nope. This one. I'm doing it wrong. I have to be doing it wrong. So retype that one again. And that one will be first. Because it's going to take me too long to look for it. TAO USDT. And this one do MXC. This is Bittenso. For this one, we had this setup. We would have been stopped out long time ago. Then we could have no, we wouldn't have been. So this is the setup, guys. So on this YouTube channel, what I do is I do setups, and of course, you know, any kind of results that you see in on the Twitter saying that, look at me, I called this one out. That's from an actual setup. That's not saying, we talked about it here, and regardless of how low it went. So here, the thought process, have your alert set for this price. The 4-hour candle must close above this white line. If it does, then you enter. If not, what might happen is the price may come up, come down, come up, come down, do this number before it eventually breaks up. What happened? Price came down, up, down, up, down, up, and before it finally broke this level. Once it broke this level, 4-hour candle closed above it. There's a big wick right here. I would wait. I wouldn't enter right now. I'd wait. This candle closes 4 hours later. Looks good. There's still a big wick here. I would still enter the trade, even though there's a big wick, because it's fulfilling what our thought process is. Then what happens? Do we get stopped out? No, we probably did. Do we get stopped out? Let's say we entered on the higher portion of this. Now, any other mentor would have done, yeah, we would have gone the absolute low. No, we never know. The way I teach, the way I mentor is as if we're in the actual trade. Because if I do it any other way, I'm cheating not only you, but myself. Yeah, oh wait, no, we wouldn't have got stopped out. For this one, it's a 3 billion market cap. For this one, I would have done a 15% stop loss. I could have done it up here, but just because I know that it has this nice range of play, if it comes down, it may come down in here. So that's the reason for this. Now, that's another thing, guys. One thing I do is I give you my thought process of what I would do in the moment versus what I see. Yeah, it went up. Everybody sees that. But what would I have done in the moment? So once again, I must reiterate this. Other mentors, they will say something completely different based off of what they see. Completely. So this is what the setup would have been. Went to the trade, and guess what? Bingo, bango. All right, so that is that. Let's go ahead and delete all of this. Let's go ahead and go to the daily time frame, start all over with the brand new thought process, and the countdown begins. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. This looks great. Is this an Adam and Eve? No. Will you have mentors that say this is an Adam and Eve? Yes. Why? Because they squint their eyes, they shake their head really fast, they turn them around in the chair, and they say, look, guys, we have an Adam and Eve. No, this is just coming down. This is coming up. This is an area. This is coming up. So some people say I'm very critical on patterns. Not really. I know that I have a level right here. I know that I have a level right here. Now, if I wanted to, I could say, yeah, Adam and Eve. But it's really not an Adam and Eve. You know, if you look at the true definition of Adam and Eve, this is where it stops. It's basically just support resistance levels. Now, this would probably be the most perfect Adam and Eve that I have seen being called out by any YouTuber, because this actually looks great. But it's not, if it would have come down here lower, Adam and Eve. All right, moving on. But they can't be perfect. All right, let's see here. So we have this zone here, and this created this zone. I'm liking what I'm seeing right here. Do we have divergence possibly forming? The volume is coming down. Volume is coming down, however, price is going up. That just says what goes up is going to come down. That's all that says. We have a minute 30. Can we do it? We have a lot of wicks. There's on the daily time frame, a lot of wicks. Is it going to come down? Is it going to come down? It's coming down so far. Right now, again, we have bearish divergence. We have a high, a lower high. We have a high and a higher high. So right now we have bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame for the histogram coming down. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. We got nice buying pressure. 1 hour time frame. Looks like it looks like it wants to go up. Here we have a low and a lower low. However, we have a low and a higher low. Bullish divergence. Joe, bearish bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Like, what's going on? Well, this is saying the short term, it should potentially go up before the long term potentially coming down. So what does that tell me? That tells me that the price might, nobody knows, the price is on the 1 hour time frame, might come up, play out the 1 hour before the 4 hour starts playing out, then possibly the daily starts playing out. This right here is our area that we want to enter. This is our buy zone. So let's go ahead and try to make this fancy before our timer expires. This is our buy zone. And I would set an alert right here. And we have 10 seconds. This is my buy. So would I enter right now? Nope. Do I miss trades sometimes? Yep. Am I okay with that? 100%. That's the setup. 3 seconds to go. Bingo bango. Oh, man. That was a good one. And there we go. ETH is breaking 4K again this weekend. Volatility killing it. Let's go. Let's go. So this is what I think might happen. Could I be wrong? Sure. Why not? What we got to do is if it breaks above this level, well, then it's going to continue going up. But for this, I think this, will go up and then come down. And we'll see. Ask again on this one later on today. We have a show at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Piper Academy. And of course, that one is put on the screen right now. So that's that. Hey, we're up again. We are up. Very nice. Let's go through some of this chat really quick. See if anything was addressed to me. Crypto Kenny says, Joe, can you copy price of the chart blowfin? Right click, it brings up option to copy. Right click brings up the option to, oh, Joe, you can copy the price right off. I didn't know that. Thank you. Let's see here. Going down the list. So what do you think of Polkastarter ripping over the past hour? Polkastarter, very low market cap coin. And thank you, Sean, for that info. Very low market cap coin. That coin, as much as it pumped, I'm still way down. I entered a long time ago back in March. Just as a long-term investment. And, ooh, man, talk about, oof. But it's a long term, so I was gonna start entering some of these coins that I'm down on just for DCAing, but some of them have already pumped, especially Polkastarter. That one pumped a bunch. So with that being said, what I think about it, great, congratulations, take profit. Just know that it will come down. If it does, then of course you add to your entry or sell. Stop loss could sit. Mark Dutch says, talking about loyalty, I think Retro Mike Tech deserves a wrench. Oh, I always forget to do that. Great point. Great point. Retro Mike Tech. Now I got to find you. Here you go. So Retro Mike Tech. Add. There you go. And thank you, Mark Dutch, for reminding me on that. Appreciate you, man. It's here. Mark Dutch, I cannot be trusted with the power. Too late. Too late. Hey, where did my chat go? Everybody's getting deleted. What's going on? No, I'm playing. Let's see here. How are you doing today? Wick's wife, 589. Doing good. Doing good. Happy today is Friday. Very happy today's Friday. Oh, I forgot. I got to pull this up. There we go. Hey, we're up 35% on our 50x leverage trade, doing a degen play live for you without any flags being drawn, without any, hype in the chat. I think I need to do that because the algorithm seems to love that. I noticed that the algorithm loves scammers. I've noticed that. How many scams have you seen lately? And it's just going to get worse with all these like XRP. I'm the founder of XRP. Just send this amount of XRP to this, blah, blah. scam. And these people who don't know are gonna get scammed. So you send this Bitcoin, you send, do they have Richard Hart yet? I know last season they did. There's a lot of scams out there, guys. A lot of scams. And it's scary. It really is. Let's see here. Going down the list. See here. Okay, going down the list, making sure everything's good. We're gonna get to your coins in just a second. Hopefully this stream does not last too much longer. Okay, very good. We're all set. Let's see here. So, oh wow, we did that one already. So let's do C. So I would set an alert down here. I think it's gonna come down first. Of course, you know, set an alert up here too, but I think it's gonna come down first. And I'll actually set an alert up here as well. So let's do set alerts. Set alerts, and then we'll do this. So we have it right there as well. Okay. So now let's go ahead and go to the next one. The next one is a CELR USDT. We're doing on MEXC. And let's start our timer. There we go. Okay. So let's go to the daily time frame. Woo-wee, this one pumped. Pump city population, not me. So we do have this accumulation box, or this box of support / resistance right here. Right now it's currently over it, which is good. Let's go to the lower time frame. I don't see any divergence. On the lower time frame, huge spike in volume. Very nice candle of a breakout right here. This would have been our option to enter. I would have think that it would come down just because it's not coming down. It's going up, down, barely. Up, down, okay, up, down, okay, up, barely, up, up. Oh man, it's got a lot of momentum, a lot of steam with it. A lot of steam. Let's see if that steam runs out. Everything looks good on the 1 hour too. 15-minute time frame, everything looks great. So let's go back to the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, because of this pump, I'm thinking we may come down to this area, and then we have to see what's going to happen. So I'm thinking just due to the pump, we come down here, possibly come up, then this is our decision point. Is it going to break out and then continue, or is it going to go from here, break this level, come down here to a really nice buy zone? And then, of course, I would have my stop loss right here. This is where, underneath this wick. A little bit more. This would be my stop loss. But right now it's a decision point. Would I enter long right now? No, definitely not. It already moved. It already moved. So now we just wait. We wait and see what happens. Guys, we're up 43% on our 50x leverage call. Yeah. No flags. No, nothing. Just price action. Price action. Bingo bango. We finished that one. The next one is FET. I do like me some FET. Oh yeah, so let's put this one. I always forget. Do the watch list, Joe. Do the watch list. Let's come over here to FET. FET USDT. This one's gonna be MEXC. Guys, if you're not making money, watch this show. Watch this show. I will show you how to make money. And I'm not saying that because of this dumb Bitcoin trade. I'm just saying, like everything I do, it's showing you how to trade. It's showing you what to do. It's showing you to be patient. It's showing you how to set alerts, where to set alerts, why alerts are so important. It's showing you how to strategically place your targets and your stop loss. All this information I'm giving to you for free. For free. Now, if you want to learn faster, well, then you go here. We have a VIP membership. This will get you up to speed really fast. Now, do I promise, empty promises, empty hopes and dreams? No. You are going to put in what you put in. You're going to get out what you put in. So with that being said, I want you to be a warrior. I really do. And that's why I put all this effort to showing you what to do and how to do it. Now, do I give out call outs? Do I give out enter at this exact moment? Place your targets exactly here. Move, add to your entry when this particular thing happens. 15-minute candle close above this specific level. Yes. Why? Because I want to be held accountable I want to be held accountable for the trades I'm giving you. I don't say buy this zone, enter in this area. No. So many people get away with that. I want to be liable, and not liable. That's a wrong word. No, that's the wrong word. I want to be accountable. I want to be accountable. I'm liable to myself. I want to be accountable. None of this is financial advice. Oof, man. Could have had a really big one on that one. Now, if you want to be just a YouTube supporter, then of course we have the supporter. Each level, of course, gets higher and higher. Right now, RetroMind Tech has given a lot of this. So there are a lot of really great videos that are only for the YouTube members. So definitely check that out. And of course, all of the videos that are on the YouTube members are available on the VIP first. All right, that's all I got on that. And of course, if you have questions on the VIP, how is mine different from everybody else's? For one, I've given you a bunch of examples already, but send me a message on Telegram. Send me a message on Telegram, and I'll show you all the differences. And you're gonna be like, oh, wow, you only charge that? It should be 3 times as much, minimum. Believe me, minimum. All right, moving on. Joe, can we get on the charts? Yes, definitely. Let's see, Mark says, at 102, Joe? I have no idea what you're talking about. Are you talking about that's where I think Bitcoin's gonna go? Possible. Let's see here, going down in the chat. Let's see here. Gonna need that 101 on that. Okay, going down the chat. See anything really quick. Let's see here, going down the chats. Let's see here. Jonas says, I've been holding VRA. That is, man, I love that one. That one I'm hoping to retire on. I have a lot of it. I should have bought more. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yes, I said woulda twice. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome. I am staking it, and I would love to see it surpass its all-time high. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. See, I've been holding VRA whilst it was in the red for many months. Now it's in the green. Joe's thinking helped here. Yeah. So, and that's the thing too. Like if you're in the red and if you can just not sell it, because that's an unrealized loss. Everything right now is starting to start going up. Everything. And what I would recommend is put more money into it. Dollar cost average. So now instead of being negative 40, because you put money in, now you're negative 20. Let's say you put a little bit more money in, now you're negative 5. As soon as the price starts coming up, you're in the positive. It comes down to that. And all you need is that voice in your ear, and I am that voice. Believe me, matter of fact, the call that we had last night, there was one of my members was saying that last time, same with me, same with a lot of us, you know, we held too long. And I said, I am going to be that voice, not only for you, but for the entire group and YouTube. I'm going to be that voice that says, take profits, sell. Don't be like me last season. And if you're not listening to me, I'm going to get you by your shoulders, squeeze you vigorously, and shake you shake you also vigorously. Sell, sell, sell. You don't want to hold that downturn. You don't. And then when it comes down, you know, a year later, we start buying again. Long-term investment. And the third one is always when that's the money maker. I mean, the first one, you lose money. Second one, and then you learn from your mistakes. Second one, you make money because you learn from your mistakes. Third one, and get out of here. It's going to be good, guys. It's going to be good. All right. Hey, we're up 50%. We're up 50% on our coin. Very good. Let's see here. Going down the list. See here. The better AI gets, the worse the scams will be. Big time. Because I remember first, like when they were doing the videos, I mean, you could see like the mouth wasn't moving the way it should. And now it's more fluid. But like you can still kind of tell if you're looking for it. Yeah, it's bad. It's really bad. Let's see here. What? There's no refunds on crypto? That's funny. Let's see here. And the ones that need help and leave a seed phrase. Yeah. Man, I delete, like I don't get any comments on my videos. So please watch my videos and comment on them. I get happy. Oh man, I got a comment. Yes. I go to the comment. Can you help me with my C phrase? Like, oh man, not you again. Not you again. See here, going down the list, Yeah, TP, take profits. TP, take profit. All right, very good. We've all caught up. Let's see here, 115 by end of year. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Mark Dutch. So TP means take profit. And here comes Mark Dutch. TP also is a tense. The ancient, oh my gosh. I love you, Mark. You're crazy, dude. You're crazy. All right. So let's go and get started, guys. I'm having fun. You know, making money. This is great. If you're not making money, don't worry, you will. Be patient. Don't chase these coins. You want to, now granted, poor example saying don't chase these coins, and what did I do? I chased it, but it was strategic. It was strategic. All right, moving on. Let's do Ray. No, not Ray. FET. All right. So for FET, see here, this is what we're thinking. Prices up here, we could enter now, 50%. More than likely come down, come up. Once it breaks the level, we enter again. Sure enough, it did come down. It came up, came down, came up. It broke this level. This is where we do entered. We're in the trade. This is how we trade. This is how we trade. You don't need to be looking at the 200 SMA on the 1 minute time frame to see, oh, it's going up. It's going to come up to here. Then it turns around. It's like, oh, never mind. It's coming down to here. You can't trade like that, guys. You may think you can, but you can't. You may see some wins, but you will also see some losses. Now, in the bull market, you better believe that clown will definitely have more wins than losses, because guess what? It's going up. The price is going up. So, give you a heads up. Question: why am I always dogging that person? Because he's wrecking people. I care about people. I truly do care about people. That's why I give out my stuff for free. He didn't even want to give out a link to help people. That it's a free link, but he did not even want to give that out unless they joined his membership. He is greedy. He is hungry. He has an evil heart. He says, God bless you, when somebody is not even being disrespectful, simply asking a question. Dude, I noticed you do a lot of cup and handles and head and shoulders. Do you do any other patterns? He went off on him. He banned him from the thing because he was being negative. And then he looks in the camera with an ugly, ugly heart. And he scrunches it. God bless you. Man, I hate it when people do that. It gets to me. It really does. I've seen it time and time and time again. He's in it for the money. And that's why I'm always talking about that particular person. Very charismatic, well-dressed, very articulate, great, just doesn't know how to trade. And he's got a trading group and a huge channel. He got lucky. But, good for him, all his success and everything. But on the backs of others, I would rather kneel down to give you my back so you can stand on my back to lift you higher, versus stepping on your back so I can get higher and then show you my Rolex and saying, show me your Rolex. Best one wins. How about show me what makes you happy? How about that? We talked about this earlier. Your kids make you happy? Show me your kids. Show me you smiling. Show me you playing with your kids. Show me spending time with your wife, having a nice romantic dinner, a night out. What makes you happy? Just being under the stars instead of pouring sparkling water down the drain after you use the urinal or use the restroom at your house and say, what, guys, you don't pour sparkling water down your commode after you use the restroom? Or, showing your beautiful restroom and say, show me your restroom. What are you doing? We're having a pissing contest? Having a beautiful closet, gorgeous closet, beautiful. Like, the dude is well off right now because of his group. And his closet has a ceiling fan in it. That's when you know you made it. Good for you. But then to say, show me your closet. Why? To show you, I can, barely extend my arm in my closet to make you feel better? Or is it to make me feel worse? Or is it to make me hope and dream for a closet like yours. Well, if that's the case, you might want to change your phrase instead of show me yours, because now you're comparing pissing contest versus this is where you can strive for, guys. Having a ceiling fan in your closet. I will help you do that. How's that? There's a slogan for you. Instead of show me yours. Man, that really got me upset when I saw that one. To show me your Rolex. Man, show me you're having fun. You know, just going for a cruise. What makes you happy? Music, drawing, poetry. Like that's, I know I'm getting off topic, but it just frustrates me that so many in the crypto space like the dude. I mean, it's not nothing bad. We're liking him. It's okay to like him, but he is literally stepping on the backs of others to get ahead, and then put it in their face. Look at my Rolex. That's just my opinion. Now I love, yes. See here. Also it says I love measuring. Yeah, it's a pissing contest. And one thing that I do, and I can speak freely here because it's my channel, and I'm getting out of my system before I go to Piper's channel, but I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Why do you have your group then, Joe? Why do you? Because you would see how much effort I'm putting into the group if you're in the group. You truly will. I'm literally in there all day, with the exception of the live streams. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So this one, we would enter the trade, we would have won, etc., etc. Let's go ahead and do this. Come on, Joe. Get with it. Let's delete all this. 19 drawings gone. All right, here we go. We're looking at FETs. This is a very nice coin. I really do like it. We do have some levels up top. Let's go ahead over here. This is the rapid fire of the session. Now, of course, with it being the rapid fire of the session, we have a timer of 3 minutes. We have a 3-minute timer. We cannot exceed the 3 minutes. If we exceed the 3 minutes, then we exceed the 3 minutes. I don't know. All right, so right here, I'm establishing a range high, range low, mid range. We're right at this level. Going to the lower time frame, I don't see any bullish divergence or bearish divergence on this. Oh man, it's just straight up. I don't like that. We can do a trend line from here to here. Come on, magnet tool. Let's see here. Let's do a zone. Why not? For giggles. For giggles. Oh my gosh, magnet tool. There you go. So this is a zone that I see. Get out of here, magnet tool. Not doing what I want. This is the area that I see for a possible bounce. Right here. If it breaks below this level, be very careful because now it can actually come down significantly where it could do this. And then land somewhere down here. This will be our decision point. It could also go up, but for this one, I would really have to set an alert. I'm going to say about right here. Set an alert. This one already moved too much, so we're actually going to do the alert as well. And then we're also going to set an alert above right here. Now with this alert, I'm looking for something different. I'm looking for my alerts. Dang it. Dang it. I'm looking for my alerts. Come on. What am I doing? I'm pushing the wrong button. There we go. So if it does come up, this is what I'm potentially looking for. I'm looking for it to come up, the alert go off, then possibly come down. Hopefully we can stop here. But if we don't, I'm not worried because now more than likely it'll trade in this range before it continues up. So those are my two thought processes on that. We have 20 seconds to go. So this is my thought process. So set your alerts. The orange are the alerts. We're going to go ahead and put this on our watch list for our rapid fire. Next one is DOT. So DOT USDT. This one is MEXC. And same thing on this one. Let's go ahead and set our timer. I don't think we'll need our timer. But so for this one, let's go ahead and delete this. It broke our level. Let's go ahead and delete this as well. So right now, DOT is looking okay. This is on the 4-hour time frame. We do see a, nope, wrong one. We see a low and a lower low. This is on the 4-hour time frame. However, we see a low and a higher low. So bullish divergence. So this says that the price should possibly go up. Doesn't mean that it'll go up 15%. It could go up 1%, if that much. So right now, you could say that we have a double top. This is the neckline that it needs to go. So what we're actually doing, we're actually looking at this area. It's a really tight area. So let's go ahead and put this here. This is our area that it needs to bounce off of. And let's go ahead and make this pretty dark or pretty bright. So this is the area that it needs to bounce off. This is the neckline of the double top. If it is a double top, if it comes down, more than likely it might, what do I think it might do? It might come down to here based off of this. There's a fair value gap here. This is on the 4-hour time frame. So the candle may do this with the wick. So that's what might happen here. If it comes down, if it breaks this level, if it finds support, now we have this trend line we're working with. But personally, I would actually wait for it to break this level. I'm not sure what the price range tool says about that level, the percentage wise, but I would set an alert right here. And I would also set an alert down here. That way, hopefully I can get it as it enters this area. Oh my gosh, I move my finger, and I shouldn't move the finger. Okay, and then of course this is an alert as well. So this is my thought process for DOT. Right now it's looking good. It's at the point, it's at the decision point. It can either come down or up. What do I think will happen? Because of the market and it being bullish, I'm gonna say we're gonna get that bounce and go up and do this. 30 seconds to go, do this. That's what I think. Could I be wrong? Sure, why not? All right, so we finished that one. Let's see here. Is it time to take profit on FETs? I don't know, we just did that one. It's never wrong to take profit. Never wrong to take profit. So sure, take profit. 50%. Not financial advice. Just saying what I would do if it was up. I would sell. All right, see here. Beautiful Santa pump. Yes, indeed. ETH gains. I'm not in ETH. Yes, ETH is making some money. I only do quarter pounders. Oh my gosh. Also it says, oh, but it was a quarterly pump. And then Mark says, I only do quarter pounders. I swear you are a comedian. So this is the last one, guys. This is the last one. You guys have been great. We're up 39%, guys. Up 39% on our DGen play, 50x leverage. Once again, with this, there was no flags being drawn on a 1 minute, one candle, saying this is a bull flag on a one candle. Are you kidding me right now? A one candle? Oh my gosh. Maybe I had too much coffee. We'll see. Let's see here. No, I do need another cup. Let's do some KuCoin. So KuCoin, we looked at this one earlier. We were saying that it might come down. It actually went up. It's kind of cooling off though. Let's do the timer. What do we see here? And it came down. This would have been our stop loss. We didn't enter the trade though. Let's go 1 hour time frame. It's balancing in this area. Is losing strength. I was gonna say it was losing strength. The highs are getting lower. There's no ups and downs, and that's what I mean by the losing strength. Look at this: up, down, volatility, up, down, up, down. It's not even down. It's like down. It's kind of like a slow slide, just going. This is like a roller coaster. Boom, slow slide. So we might get a bounce here. And then come up. So for this one, we can set an alert above this. I think if we get to this area, it might be a good time to enter, because this is what I'm thinking. We got a minute 50. If it comes doing this and then comes down and then does this, now we get alerted. We need the 4-hour candle to close above this white line. It needs to close. If it doesn't close the 4-hour, even though we're on the 1 hour, maybe the 1 hour. 4 hour. Has to be the 4 hour. So this has to be the 4 hour. 4 hour candle must close. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at all the wicks on the time frames. 4 hour candle close above this, we enter the trade. If not, this could potentially do this and then lose this area. With 1 minute to spare. There we go. All right, guys. Oh, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. Right now, we are up 30% on our trade. Right now, it's looking good. It is a 50x leverage. I'm going to leave it open. Let me go ahead and put a stop loss. That's what I'll do. I'll put a stop loss. So let's go ahead and go back and turn off this view. And let's come up here. I'm in profit finally on this one. I got into this one a little bit ago. And, just a little bit of money, just, hoping it go down so I can add more to it. It went down for a little bit, but barely. And now it's up 17%. That worked. So, oh man, my lower entries didn't hit. Okay. So we're going to cancel this one. We're going to cancel this one. Boring. Let's go ahead and delete this as well. Delete this, and delete this. Why not? And delete this. Get out of here. Everything get out of here. So I want to move up my stop loss. We're on the 1 minute time frame. Man, I might as well take profit right now. I'm just going to close the trade. I'm going to close the trade. So close all. It's not looking good. Close all. Yay, me. I sold. So let's mark where I sold. And it's going to go to the moon. Now, I don't like what's happening here. Okay, so a few things. One, it crossed. Let's just look at this. It crossed my 30 SMA. So it's telling me it's losing momentum. Not only that, but with my eyeballs, I can see this up. Get out of here. Down, up, down, up, down. It's doing this. So this is a level right here. And we can also create like a little zone. The price action is now here. Now, where can it go down? Well, look at all this area right here that it can come down to. Does it mean that it will come down here? Nope, sure doesn't. But we have a higher likelihood. And especially with it going up, down, up, down, up, down. I think it's going to lose momentum. I think it's going to come down. Now, when would I add to the trade? When would I enter the trade for a long? When it breaks this level. Doing exactly what I teach. When it breaks this level, I go long. Right now, I'm happy with the gains. If it breaks this zone right here, then I could potentially, let's say it comes down, does this, comes down, I could potentially enter a short to hopefully write it down before it comes up. This is what I'm looking for. If it comes down, if it doesn't break this level and it breaks this level, well then, okay, now we can go long. But right now, I took my short, I closed my trade, and right now, potentially, in my eyes, I think I did a good job. I took my profit, I was in profit, I made some money. So that'll work. That'll work just fine by me. Let's see here. Oh, I want Mexican food today. My cousin's coming over for hanging out for a week, I think. So that's gonna be pretty cool. All right, see here, Mark. Yep, he really loves them beans. All right, I think I want Mexican food today. All right, guys, but that's it for me. I do thank you so much. I'm very happy that y'all are here. Appreciate all the likes that you've done, and we'll see you on the next stream. Until then, take profits, guys. If you're up, take profits. and roll it into the next trade, or, you know, add when it goes lower. But the main thing is have a stop loss, take profits. And as always, my name is Joe. Not going to change it. Also, trade intuition, where I truly do care about you. I would rather bend my knees, lower my back, give you my back so you can step on my back so you could elevate yourself, than me step on your back so I can elevate myself. I have the humble mentality. I have the giver's gain mentality. Some people say it, others do it. I do thank you so much, guys. With that being said, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Remember, I want to make money with you, not because of you. And as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. I'll see you at in about 2 hours on the Piper stream. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Thank you, guys.